To begin, I'm going to start off with completely wet hair. I'm going to begin this wash routine by using IIM's cleansing conditioner. This cleansing conditioner has a very thick consistency, which led me to be very shocked when it began to lather as I worked it into my scalp. The instructions on this cleansing conditioner is to apply the conditioner to your scalp, massage it in, and leave it on for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you rinse it out and go in with the IIM conditioner. As I'm rinsing the cleansing conditioner out, I'm gently massaging my scalp as well to make sure that I get all of the cleansing conditioner off my scalp. You never want to leave any product on your scalp as it may lead to irritation. So this IIM conditioner was very liquidy, and for me it allowed very little to no slip. You'll see me going in for more and more and still not getting the same consistency as I would with another conditioner, and that's just what I had to do. I had to go get another conditioner. Now, I enjoy finger detangling mainly because it reduces the shedding and you get to see your curls come to life as you're running your fingers through it and shingling the hair with the conditioner. And I like this Garnier conditioner because it has plenty of slip in it. Garnier is not the only company that has slip. There are way more conditioners that have a lot of slip. So when you're detangling, especially finger detangling, you want to make sure that there is less tension on your hair as possible. And a conditioner with a lot of slip allows for that. So the instructions on the IIM conditioner is to leave it on for 5 minutes. However, because I use a majority of another conditioner, I am not going to leave it on. I'm just going to rinse it right out and just run my fingers through it. Run my fingers through my hair as I am rinsing to make sure that I get all of the conditioner out and to also detangle in the process. Now it's time to get your favorite t-shirt and dry your hair. Never dry your hair with a towel. Dry your hair with a t-shirt. I'm going to oil my scalp with the IIM hair growth oil serum, and I'm just going to apply this directly to my scalp and to the ends of my hair while it's still damp. Oh, and as I was pouring the oil into my palm, a nice little herb fell out. It looked to be a rosemary leaf. I'm not exactly sure. Now I'm going to be using IIM's Moisture hair butter. This butter, oh my goodness, this butter feels so good. It looks like pudding, has a consistency of pudding, and melts into your hair like a pudding. I wouldn't call it hair butter, I'm going to call it hair pudding, because that's what it feels like, and it makes your hair extremely soft and manageable. Now I'm just going to part my hair because I like parts when I do a bun. I like there to be a part somewhere in my head. So I'm just going to find a part and then use IIM's edge control just to tame those edges. So I lost some footage of the exact hairstyle and I just have this blooper. So I'm just going to use it just to give you an idea of what it looked like. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will have more videos coming your way shortly.